Hi everyone. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku. It's still a sunshiny day. Today in today's daily newspaper on Friday, August the 21st, 2020. We have here a Sudoku Heavy. And this will be a number 1381. And before I start, I always count the printed number so you have an indication of the difficulty level. In the additional with 1 star, 2 star, 3 stars, 4 stars, the 1 star has 27 printed numbers, the 4 stars 24 printed numbers. I'm curious about this Sudoku Heavy, how many printed numbers are in this Sudoku. We have here 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 2 is equal to 16, 17, 20, we have here 24, so you can compare, it's a 4-star Sudoku. Let me check again. 4, 7, 8, 10, 12, 15, 17 plus 4 is 21, 24. Yes, it's a 4 stars Sudoku if you compare with the Sudokus in the additional. So let's get started. Alright, we have a 9. We have a pair here, the 9 and the 6 in this column, the 9 and the 6 in the column next. So in that column, the two numbers 6 and the 9 goes in these two boxes. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And now, let me see. Two. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, in this middle column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. Then in this second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2 and a 3. We see in this big square a 2 and a 3, so no 2 and a 3 in these two boxes. We see in this column also a 2 and a 3, so no 2 and a 3 in this box. So the 2 and a 3 goes in those two boxes. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And then we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then let me see, 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing in the second row. 5 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there, and the 5 goes, and there. Then. Let me see. The 1 in this first row, the 1 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here. Oh, there we see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Well, and now, yeah. 3, 1, 2, 3, the 5, yes, in, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 9 are missing. 6, 7, and the 9. 6, 7, and the 9. We see here 6 and a 7. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you so it's easier to follow. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. 1 box left in the first row for the number 8. These 2 boxes in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. Alright. And now we have a 1 in this row, a 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. How about the 8 in this column? 8 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so in the column next. These 2 places are reserved for the 8. I cannot place it yet. Need to wait. Same like here with the 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. So these 2 boxes are reserved for the 8. How about the number? Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 9, the 5, and the 7. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left for the 5 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now. No. 2 numbers in this column, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. 2 boxes left for the 3 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left in this column should be for the number 4. Number 4 is missing. These 2 should be 1 and a 5 are left in this big square. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about the number 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And then 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see, yes. Then 3 numbers left in this big square. I cannot fill this yet. 7, 5, and then 9 are missing. Here 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 7 and the 5 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 8. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8. 1 box left in this column for the number 5, I believe. Yeah, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. Now we have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7. I cannot fill this yet. We have a pair, 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. This should be also in the second column, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. This should be the 7, and this should be the 6. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. And then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 9. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 1. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. 13 minutes. I cannot believe this. A 4-star Sudoku. Is it really a 4-star Sudoku? I do not think so. A 4-star Sudoku, I need more than 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Not 13 minutes, but 30 minutes. Yes. 13 minutes. I have solved this Sudoku Heavy. Usually for a really 4-star Sudoku, 30 minutes. 30 minutes. This is not a heavy. No. I think this is a 1-star or a medium Sudoku. If I solve this very quick, then you can solve this too. Anyway, you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you later with the additional with extra Sudokus. Bye bye for now. See you soon.